Hello guys, come back with me. See, there are lots of toys and they are all so cool. Well, this time, we will review the toys again, guys. But before continuing, first click the like and subscribe button, bro. I will give you a gift. Namely, a cool toy car.
Woo!
So what are you waiting for? Come on, press like and subscribe.
Wow.
Okay, guys, there are trucks carrying sand here. There are 2 yellow Tayo buses. There is a yellow Moen car and also a white truck. And look, there are lots more toys. Cool.
Wow.
Wow, look, guys, this is a sand truck. Cool. Next, there is a yellow Beko excavator. Cool.
Wow.
And there is a yellow Tayo bus. Cool.
Wow.
Wow, look at the white racing car. Cool.
Woo!
And this is a police patrol car.
Wow.
Wow, and this is a yellow Moen car. Cool. Next, there is a car carrying heavy equipment. Cool.
Woo!
And this is a rock crawler car or off-road car.
Wow.
And this is a police patrol car. We save it again. Wow, and this is a yellow Moen car. Cool. Look, guys, there are lots of toys. Let's take the red one first. Wow, this red racing car is really cool. And now we take the green one.
Wow.
This one is a blue racing car. Cool.
Wow.
Then there is a yellow racing car. Cool.
Woo!
Wow, there's a Tayo car here. We take the green one.
Woo!
And then the yellow one.
Yeah!
Then we take the blue one.
Oh my gosh!
Cool. And the last one is red.
Woo!
Wow, look, there are still 3 cool big trucks. Let's move this white sand truck.
Yeah!
Next is the blue sand truck. And the last one is a yellow sand truck. Cool.
Yeah!
Wow, look at my friends. All the toys are lined up neatly. It's really cool.
Yeah!
Okay, guys, that's all for our video this time. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like, comment, and subscribe so that I will be enthusiastic about making other videos. For those of you who want to request a video, please comment in the comments column. See you, bye-bye.